Hi everybody, it's Paul from Alexandria Knife Sharpening and Laser Engraving, and welcome to the channel. Every day customers come in and trust me with everything from ordinary kitchen knives all the way up to absolutely beautiful made Japanese custom knives like this box here. Sometimes those knives are even worth thousands of dollars. And what I want to do is share with you my experience of building my business from the very beginnings to where we are today. That initial foundation of a sharpening business has led me into other opportunities that I was able to take advantage of. I then got into laser engraving. Laser engraving led me into doing 3D printing, and 3D printing has led me into doing UV printing. So my business has expanded into many different areas over the years. What I think is the most important point to get across isn't just the how to do all of these different types of things, or even just one of those things if that's what you're interested in. It's how to think like a professional business, because that's where the real value is, I think, in this channel. This channel isn't just about any one of those subjects or sharpening, but it's also about how do professional businesses think. And that's really what I hope you take most from this channel. Anyone can teach you sharpening that's experienced in sharpening, but to be successful in business, it takes a lot more than just learning that particular skill. You also have to learn to think like a professional business. On this channel, I will share with you my successes, and I will also share with you my failures. Hopefully, between being able to see all that, you'll be able to use that knowledge so that you can be successful in whatever endeavor you are wanting to get into, whether it be sharpening, whether it be engraving, whether it be 3D printing, whether it be all of those things. Hopefully, you will be able to take some gems from all the things that I've done over the years and utilize that to build your successful business. With over 400 videos on this channel, you can easily go back in time to when I started in a one-car garage in a much smaller shop that was not as nice as my current shop, and see the progression of this business through the last several years. And we're just getting started. We've recently started going over all of the questions, all of the correspondence and emails and messages that we've received over the years, and we are starting to use that to produce our content going forward. We're looking for gaps where we haven't covered particular subjects, and we're also looking for areas where we've had lots of requests to cover certain things that maybe we haven't done anything on. So there'll be a lot of great new content to come on this channel. Thanks for stopping in. I hope my content here helps you become a better sharpener, a better maker, and a better business owner. So in closing, I just want to remind you this. Every knife and every job has a story. Every one of these jobs teaches us lessons. Let's keep learning together, and welcome to ALX Sharpen. And I'll talk to you soon.